A single, do it on your own. Single mom, single dad, single girl. Today's video, trust me, is for you. I hate be lonely. I hate the word of calling single parent. I don't like it. If you're the type of person that you don't like that word of single person, do it on your own. Go to bed on your own. Do shopping on your own. You come back from work, you don't have anybody to talk to. Today's video is for you. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, friends, if you are new to my channel, hello, my name is Becky. Guys, if you're a single girl, you are looking for a rich man, you are looking for a lovely Arab or white man, today's video is for you. If you'll be single for a long time, you find it difficult to secure a man for yourself, don't worry, today is for you. And you have to actually believe. When you believe, then that's it. You have to believe, and you have to believe whatever you are using, whatever I'm asking you to use, and you follow the procedure, is gonna work. You're going to have a one of the wonderful, a caring man as your husband, as your hobby before ending up the Christmas. You don't want to be lonely. You don't want to be lonely. You don't want to be doing your Christmas by yourself. Don't worry, today's remedy is for you. It's going to help you. So guys, and we all know bay leaf. Bay leaf is very good. It's very good. It's, if you are looking for a lover, you actually have to get use of bay leaf. Some people burn it, some people cook it, some people use it for inside the water and bath themselves with it, which other way. And today's night, in today's remedy, I'm going to be share with you how you're going to be using your bay leaf to attract a man. Yeah, it's going to help you to attract your man. You need a lukewarm water. Using ingredients, you're going to be using water. Water, we call the power of water. The water, there's nothing we can do without water. You need a water, and you're gonna be using your bay leaf. Yeah, this is bay leaf, guys. We know bay leaves. It is bay leaf. It's for love, attractive love, love of love, love of love, love is full of love. Bay leaf is very good. And red candle, a single girls, get use of red candle. When you are looking for a man, you want to be burning a red candle day and night to give you a good man, to send you a lover. Learn how to be burn candle when you are going out. So this is how we're gonna be doing it. This is how we used to do it, guys. I'm going to show you step by step how to do. Follow me, lover. Let me get a lover. Let me get a sweet guy. Whenever you are home as a single person, write whatever you want around this red candle. Get any type of candle you are comfortable with. Is it love? Love today. I want a love. I want a love. Write everything you want and burn it. And then whenever you are going out, burn it and say your prayers. Try to connect with the red candle. You connect with your red candle, and you're going to be dumping it here. You're going to be saying your prayer. That's it. That's how we do it. Swearing at this and connect with all the energy. Keep your prayer. If you are Muslim, whatsoever way, you charge and you travel with it. You're straining. I want to get a rich man today. As I'm going today, I shall come home with a lovely man. I should be attracted with a lover. I should be attracted with a rich, superb, tall man. 6 feet, 7 feet, 8 feet, 5 feet, slim, big stomach, big stomach. Lover, follow me, and you're going to say your prayer. Say whatsoever type of what type of a man, what kind of a man you want. 6 feet, white guy, Arab guy, Chinese, Nigeria, Yoruba, Igbo, you mention it. Any type, exactly the type of a man you want. You stirring it and you make your wish inside this flame. And when you finish your wishes, and you know what you're going to do with that water. When you finish all your wishes, and you're gonna be honey. Nobody hates honey. Honey work well when you are looking for a man. You're gonna be dropping honey into this water, and you're going to be bathed with that. You're going to use it to bath. You have bath with that. That is what you're going to do. So when you say all your prayer, you say all your prayer, and you're going to mix this with your bathing water. You're going to mix it thoroughly with your bath water. When you say all your prayer, the type of guy you want, 6.5, 7.8 point. So you say your prayers, you are going to there. You should be attracted. You should be attracted with the type of a guy you connect with this flame. And after your prayer, you're going to blow it, and you're going to drop everything here. You're going to drop it, and off you go. You're going to what? Don't take off this. You're going to bath with the bay leaf, and let me know what you think. Do this whenever you are going out for the best result. Let me know. Do you catch a fish? Do you get a lovely guy? I want to know. Leave the comments below. Stay blessed. Bye for now.